I'm the K.O.N.E.
What's that?
King of Northeast. Yeah.
I'm a diamond in the rough.
Hey.
One of them rare kinds that cut above the rest like receding hairline.
You know.
If radio don't play mine, I stay fly. Still get plenty of airtime.
Oh,
I be killing these rappers. I just been low-key like I'm a villain from Asgard. It's like I be giving them a head start.
you already know.
But they off to a bad start. Now it's time to take over. Time to rock the nation like I'm Jay.
Hova.
Get drunk to your disappointment like some gay voters. I spit fire like a fucking flamethrower. Prepare for heat death like the guy that played Joker. It's about to get ugly, can't afford a makeover. Cheapskates getting ran over by a Range Rover. Rrrrnn, here we go, it ain't over. I send shots their way, they need graves and coroners. They send shots my way, I'll probably get a hangover. No, nobody's a threat to me, can't get to me. With every MC I kill, I build my legacy.
You know.
I'm the analyst, I analyze your rapping beats. Bars hella weak, deliver terribly. Big words strung together haphazardly on some
Pedallion shit.
a cheap magic trick. Leave a bunch of casual fans convinced that you was selling this rap shit. If you the best in the East, that be the saddest shit. You know the man ain't fit to even rap the East. Give me a push up, bruh, like some saggy tits. I got the game on lock, go find a bench and sit. Your rap score still nil like Kaepernick. Rap score still nil like Kaepernick. My freestyle's better than your masterpiece. I've mastered it, you're just a jack of it. I'm a giant, you're a jack without the magic beans.
No
Take it back
magic
real
beans.
quick. If Michael was the ace, I'm the king. May will always be the queen. You're still the jack of
Still the
it. Now
jack
watch
of
the
it.
deck get switched. Now you the jack of the sinking Titanic ship. And that's the only way I put a roast on your grave, you bitch. Yo. When
You know what we do.
Check.
It's the G.
Yeah. If it's a competition in a minute, so
A minute.
I treat the game like the Olympics, bro. And I don't want no medal if it isn't gold.
No.
Genie killed the game, let it be known it's Mizzo. The rap warrior from the backwaters, put my city on and I ain't gotta leave ISO. Just to kill you all, this YouTube video works as voodoo pins and dolls. I'm the new school bully, y'all just new dudes, little bros. I go 0 to a local hero, the M-I-Z-O. Bound to dominate the N-E-O. It's G''N-I-E. But if you're looking for the one, then my name is Neo. Morpheus, you red pills, knowledge and mad skills. Opponents gon' get grilled, you know that you can't kill a motherfucker that was beating bullets at a standstill. Black shades on, gats hang low, under the black trench coat, caskets closed. I'm straight killing it, yeah, I'm killing it, but it won't admit this shit. Am I not killing it?
Hell yeah.
But I gotta murder a clown for them to say I'm killing it. You're feeling it? On the low, I know you're listening. You can tell the difference. I give you excellence. I could be your gentleman, but a battle rapper first.
Talk to him.
The rudest people on planet Earth.
You already know.
Bad words get hurled like some angry birds, and these pigs get grilled, make a hamburger. No cusses in your verses, it's how you prefer it. Give you an F for effort, like failure's your favorite F word. I'm Ted Bundy every time the beat drops. Mask on, looking like a member of Slipknot. Gory like a story by Alfred Hitchcock. That's my brand of hip-hop.
Rap warrior from the backwaters, put my city on and I ain't gotta leave ISO. Just to kill you all, this YouTube video works as voodoo pins and dolls. I'm the new school bully, y'all just new dudes, little bros.
Payday.
I'm a badass, I'm a class act, on the whack ass rap bash, tryna get up in the fast track. Your greatness, get a backlash, backlash,